Let's protect our water bird haiba pausel puduna Bisnupur Kaksing Imphal West Thobal Loktak Pat amadi Manipur gi tongan ba pat singi mapanda khundari ba khul singda koina chatuna chaliba tha sigi kunmanga fawba numit humni chathagataba water bird conservation media campaign kongset ama Bisnupur district ki manung chanba isokta ki range forest officer Bisnupur Forest Division Headquarter na ngasi lamthakhre campaign adu Unique Wildlife Protection Committee Manipur Pumland Lake Development Organization Forest Department, Directorate of Environment and Climate Change Samadi Loktak Development Authority na kusamna shinduna pangthokpani lamthabagi thoromda Range Forest Officer is Geet Chandra Sharma, JCCWB Manipur ki convener Romesh Ningthauzam Nature Vanguard Force ki Secretary Chanam Santosh Mitei, PLDO ki General Secretary Salam Gandhi, UWLPC ki Secretary Irengbam Sanaton Amati Atai Thomi Singsu Saruyaki, RFO Bisnupur Headquarter RK Sadanandana Fongdokibada, Aikoi Mioibana Hingliba, Malem Masida Climate Change Hantanba, Migratory Bird Signal Sothodang Lorivani, Mioiva Equina Malem Sida, Matam Sang Nungaina Hingi Hairagati, Makoibo Equina Pishan Bibatsangi Hivasi, Ekoi Kudingna. Kantamina Rasi Haiki, JCCWB Manipur ki convener Romesh Ningthauzam na Fongdokibada, Organization Singersina Forest Department ka khusam naraga, Manipur ki tongan bapat kaya da wakal tamina na bathabak kaya paikat kre, masigi makha tabo ina ngasiso, Forest Department ka khusam naraga, media campaign rasi pangthokpani, Masida Club Organization amadi miyam na mating pangbiduna wildlife ta chathaba crime sing hanthan naba, honabada mating pangbiyo haiki.
Migratory bird Atop country degi Loktak Tarai ba ujek singjibu kannabgi damakta Coordination Committee on Wildlife Biodiversity Manipur amadi UWLPC Manipur Pumland Lake Development Organization ga punjaduna Forest Department Environment and Climate Changes amadi Loktak Development Authority sponsor tobiduna masidagi hona bird conservation ki campaign asi haujabani
gi nambol lisok Bisnupur district tagi haujaraga tongan ba part singda koi chachaga do basida koi ma tongan ba koi part singchida activity kaya ma koi ki forest department ka tongan ba local club organization kya ga koi activity kaya ma tawjakre adobo adagi kitang chang hantanabagi damka da hojik ngasi jali ba khungjat asina koi tongan ba club organization kya ga kusamnaraga koi ki wildlife conservation gi lomda hena changsin ngamnabagi damka da koi pandam thamjaraga ngasi khungai changsin jabani adoga makatana koina organization sing changsil pa khujang sing da koi local club amati mera paipi odi chhatru chhatri khudimangna koi mating pangbiraga koi gi hariba wildlife crime sing ase masing handan bada punamangna saruk jamini si haiba khumdo koi phondoksari